welcome to my channel. This time we are going to see recipe of 3 pickles. This is very easy to make and it doesn't take much time also. And this recipe, if you follow, you can store your pickle for 1 year without any preservative. So let's start our recipe. For this recipe I am going to use homemade pickle powder. So first of all we'll make pickle powder. So for pickle powder we need 2 tablespoons of mustard seed, 2 tablespoons of cumin seed and half tablespoon of fenugreek seed. We'll dry roast everything. Only fenugreek seed will dry roast till it changes the color, but mustard seed and cumin seed will dry roast to make it easy to grind. Will not change the color while dry roasting the mustard seed and cumin seed. If you want, you can keep it in sunlight without dry roasting the mustard seed and cumin seed. But fenugreek seed you have to dry roast till it changes the color. Now fenugreek seed is already done. I just dry roasted 1 minute the cumin seed and mustard seed, and after that I'll wait till it comes to the room temperature. And now here I have taken almost 20 to 25 lemon and I am going to cut each lemon in 8 parts. So you have to cut it like this, and your lemon should be juicy enough. If the lemons are not juicy enough, you need to add half cup of lemon juice. Now we'll take the spices and we'll grind it to a coarse powder. Now the powder is ready. This is not a fine powder, this is a little bit coarse. And then we'll add the other ingredients. Here I am going to add half teaspoon asafoetida, 2 teaspoon of black salt, 4 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoon of fennel powder and 4 teaspoon of normal salt. You can take only normal salt or only black salt also. I added 1/3 cup of white vinegar, and here I am going to add sesame oil, and I am going to add 1 cup of sesame oil and just mix it well. And as I told, if the lemons are not juicy enough, you need to add half cup of lemon juice, and that lemon juice you need to add here. And after that we'll add the lemons and just mix it well, and then you need to keep it in sunlight for 15 days. In my case, I do not get sunlight throughout the year. I will keep it near to my stove top so that while cooking it will get the heat from the burner and it will be soft in 1 month. If you want to make it more quickly, then you have to make the lemons small pieces. You can see after 1 night it is well incorporated with all the spices. Now I am going to put it in jar. 2 jars I have already put and some is left over. I am going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of jaggery here to make it little sweet, so that I'll get 2 variety of pickle. You can make either sour pickle or only sweet, it's up to you, but I am going to make 2 variety of lemon pickle itself. Now 3 bottle of lemon pickle is ready. I am going to keep it in between 2 burners. Here you can see how I am keeping, and if you want you can tie a cloth without putting the cap. So in that way the water will evaporate and your pickle will be ready in 1 month. Now I am going to show you the next one, that is chili pickle or mixed pickle. You can make only chili pickle or mixed pickle. Here I have taken long chili which is less spicy. We need to cut it in small pieces. Here I have taken almost 1 lb of long chilies, and same pickle spices like cumin seeds, mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds. The measurement is also same as lemon pickle, and half cup of mustard oil. I have already boiled it. Now cut the chilies into small pieces. After cutting chili, now I have taken one small carrot and 1/4 of a raw mango. You can take only chili or you can mix carrot and mango also. The taste will be good if you mix it all. So just mix it all. Then 2 teaspoons of black salt. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, that is white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, half cup of mustard oil which I have already heated it. You can add raw mustard oil also. Then half teaspoon of turmeric. Now you can see the pickle powder is also ready, and I have taken 1/4 cup of lemon juice here. I'll add 4 tablespoons of pickle powder and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. After that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fennel powder. Just mix it well and your pickle is ready. This pickle you can start eating in 2 days, but if you wait for 1 week, the taste will be more. In the same process, I am going to show you the next one, that is mango pickle. Take 1 raw mango. I am going to peel it out and then I am going to grate it. This is a big size raw mango. Here you can see I have already peeled out, and here I am going to cut it first and then I am going to grate it, because since it is big one, it is little tough to grate as a whole. Now you can see I have already grated the mango. Now I am going to add the other spices. First of all, I am taking half tablespoon of black salt. If you don't like black salt, you can take only normal salt. 1 tablespoon of white salt, 3 tablespoons of pickle powder, the same pickle powder which I used for lemon, 1 tablespoon of fennel seed powder, then 1/3 cup of mustard oil, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and little bit turmeric, almost half teaspoon of turmeric, and then add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Mix it well and put it in a jar. This pickle you can start eating in the same day, but I'll tell the same thing, if you wait for 1 week, the taste will be more. I'm going to keep all the pickle near to the stove top, so that within a week mango pickle and chili pickle will be soft and we can start eating. Lemon pickle will take little long time. So try all these recipes of pickle and let me know how it came out. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get the notification whenever I am uploading the new videos. Thank you for watching.